Hello friends, today I am making this pattern. Very beautiful pattern and very easy to make. This is back side. So beautiful pattern. Today I am going to make this. I am showing you how to make this. For this I am taking this 3.5 number hook. Let's start. Now starting the chain like this. Now here we are coming to hold this two thread yarn here like this and turning this hook and going to bring the yarn inside and holding here and pulling this yarn like this. This is the knot. Now making chain, taking the yarn on the hook and bringing inside, taking the yarn on the hook, bringing inside like this. This hook is your side like this. Like this, these chains are making. This chain is the basic of the crochet patterns. What you want to make, scarf, shawl, baby blanket, anything, take the measurement of the width. This is the width. Take the measurement of the width and make the chains. After that, making the pattern. Like this. Now starting making 3 extra chain and taking yarn on, and here in the 4th chain we are breaking and making double crochet. Double crochet is making yarn on and here in the chain picking here and going back and bringing the yarn inside. Now 3 rings are there, taking the yarn on, bringing inside and making 2 rings in one. Here now 2 rings and taking the yarn, bringing them inside. Now 1 ring is there. This is called double crochet. Once again, like this. I am showing slowly. How to make double crochet. This is double crochet. Like this, make whole row double crochet. Now this double crochet row is finished. Making next row, making here 3 chain and here yarn on and coming to this double crochet, here making 1 double crochet. Now making 2 chain, skipping here 2 chain, going to next chain, making here double crochet. Now making here 2 chain and coming to here, skipping 2 chains, 1, 2 going to third one, here also making 1 double crochet. Now this is the box. Now making here 4 double crochets. One already is made here. Now making here 1, 2 and 3. Including this, there is 4 double crochets. Now making here 2 chain, skipping 2 chain here, going to third one, making here double crochet, once again making 2 chain, yarn on, skipping here 2 chain, going to third one, and here making 4 double crochets. Like this. Now here turning next row, making 3 chain and turning this side and taking yarn on, making this 4 double crochets, one already made here, making 3 more. Now here in this box, making yarn on, leaving this, skipping this box, going to second box, here we making double crochets, 5 double crochets. Three, fourth one, and this is fifth one. 5 double crochets. Now making, coming to this first box, now making here 4 double crochets. Like this. Taking the yarn on, coming in the first box and going back, bringing the yarn and making here double crochet. This is last one. Now making these 4 double crochets here. Coming to this box, once again yarn on and going to second box, we are making 5 double crochets. Three, this is fourth one, this fifth one. So taking yarn on, coming to first box, here we are making another 4 double crochets. taking the yarn on, coming to box, inside the box and going back, bringing the yarn. This is last one. Now making here 2 double crochet. Like this. Now making here 2, 3, 4 chain and coming to here between 5 and 4 crochet, making here single crochet. Once again here 3 chain, coming to this after the pattern, coming to this double crochet. Here we making yarn on, here we making double crochet. 3 more double crochet is there, making them. Now coming to this pattern, making 3 chain, between the 4 double crochet and 5 double crochet, between that we are pricking here and making single crochet. Now making 3 chain, and after the pattern we are coming to this double crochets, here making double crochet. This row is finished now. Now making next row, we are making 3 chain and turning this side, making this double crochets. Last one. Now there is 2 boxes here, first one, second one. Now coming to second one, here making 5 double crochets, two, 3, 4, and this is 5th one. Next, taking the yarn on and coming to first box here. Coming here and going back and bringing the yarn and making a double crochet crosswise. Two, this is third one, and this is fourth one. Like this. Now making here 4 double crochets, This is the pattern. This is the cross pattern here. This is the cross pattern. This is the pattern. You can make it very easily. This is very easy pattern. So make it and tell me in the comment box you like it or not. If you like my video, give the thumbs up to my video and please subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.